Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing today? Nice to see you. Well, this is the last Wikio for this year, 2019. Kamakahiki iwa kalua umikumaiwa. This Wikio is going to be very short because I'm working on an animated version of a song that I wrote called What Would I Do? And then as you can see here, it's us around the Christmas tree, my girls and I, and we're putting on our decorations around the tree. And I even added the special holiday touch of Mauna Kea, which is the Mauna Kea symbol, the triangles, as our holiday ornament. So I hope you enjoy it. It should be out before the end of this year. The Wikio is still being worked on, and when it's done, it should be finished by the end of this year, and I will upload it, and that will be my makana from my ohana to your ohana. And until then, I will see you next year, Ika Makahiki Iwa Kalua 2020. Until next time, mahalo for watching. Aloha. Ahui ho.